called Interactive Mask. This is the processing application. In here, the user will be able to choose a specific shape they want for the mask, or for the LEDs that's in front of the mask. I'll show you that later. And on the right here, we have a counter that detects, that counts how many times the sensor has been triggered. So right now, the mask is completely turned off. But once I click here, as you can see, it changes. And depending on which one I click, it changes respectively to that one. The counter here will increase every time, it sends something close to it. Right now I have it extremely close because this is a very close environment and it will be triggered along almost all the time. So it's better just to have it right now close, but it can be changed, of course. And as you can see here, it keeps increasing every tiny bit. Here is to turn off the alarm, basically. Oops, here. So when you get close, it doesn't sound anymore. If some people think it's frustrating or just sounds annoying, that's the easiest way to do it. As for the connections, I have the Arduino is connected right over here to the cable. To the Arduino I have connected a whiteboard, a very small whiteboard, because the size doesn't allow me to have the bigger one. And then we have components. We have here the speaker, one speaker, here's the second speaker, here is the matrix, the LED matrix, and down here is the sensors. Then all of these components needs both energy and ground, so they are all connected to the whiteboard. That's connected to the 5B and the ground on the Arduino. Then we have both speakers, they are connected to a digital pin that sends the signal when they need to sound whenever the sensor is triggered off. The LED is very easily connected. It has only 3 connections. It has the ground, the 5B, and one pin. Right now it's connected on pin, I believe, 10 or 9. That sends here, all the information which LEDs needs to be turned on and off. And finally, the sensor has 4 connections, ground, energy, and then it has 2 pins. One for it to sense the signal and one to receive the signal. And whenever they detect that something is very close, it will just activate. Those are basically the connections I have.